In this video series, we'll be talking about one of my favorite herbs, mint. If you have yet to grow mint, stick around because you'll want a plant or two after watching this. greensandmachines.com. Mint is a perennial herb that grows rapidly in cool to warm climates. One interesting property of mint is its ability to self-propagate. Mint naturally sends out runners from its stems. These runners, in turn, lay down their own roots if buried in the soil, and then those runners send out their own runners. This is great if you want a lot of mint in your yard, but because of this, it is next to impossible to remove from the ground permanently. To prevent mint from taking over your yard, it is best to plant them in containers. But of course, if you have a wonderful neighbor that you'd love to share the joy of mint with, never mind, forget I said anything. The best way to keep your mint alive is to plant it in a container, water it every day or so, and fertilize it with an organic or water-soluble fertilizer every week or two. Mint comes in many different varieties. The two most popular are peppermint and spearmint, but you can find a nursery selling many different varieties with names like lemon mint, chocolate mint, or apple mint. Infer that the flavor named mints tastes something like the flavor they are named after. So let's talk about propagation. Mint can be grown from seed or cuttings. Mint seeds are extremely small and take a while to germinate. I recommend against starting mint from seed. If you have an existing plant and want 2 or 3 or 4 more mint plants, take a cutting and submerge the stem in a cup of water. Within a week or two, the cutting should sprout roots from the stem. It can now be transplanted into soil. Congrats on your new plant. To harvest mint, you can take a few leaves at a time or cut whole stems, depending on how much mint you need. When cutting stems, harvest right above a node, where the two leaves meet, in order to encourage more plant growth. So those are the basics of growing mint. Later in this series, we'll look at some recipes and cocktails that you can use your mint in. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to Greens and Machines to be informed of when the next video in this series debuts. Share this video with a friend if you think they would find this video entertaining. Also, be sure to check out some of our other videos on this channel before you click away from it. We'll see you in the next one.